Welcome to the world's greatest culinary competition, Young Chef Olympiad 2019, designed for the world's best culinary students, hosted by the IIHM, International Institute of Hotel Management in association with IHC, International Hospitality Council, UK. 55 participating countries were divided into 6 groups at the official draw held at Westminster Kingsway College in London. The opening ceremony will take place at the magnificent Talkatora Stadium on 28 January 2019. All groups will be competing in the first 2 rounds from Delhi, Pune, and Bangalore. All 55 countries will fly down to Calcutta for finals, plate trophy competition, and lastly the grand closing ceremony, which will take place on 2 February 2019. Cambodia in Group C will have round 1 and 2 cook-offs in Delhi. The finals will be held in Kolkata. With us is Pisey from KSK Cooking School as a Cheftestant at the greatest international culinary competition. Cambodia Mentor Chef Sivmey Be is here to spearhead the team to victory.
ជំរាបសួរនាងខ្ញុំឈ្មោះកែសុខេងជានាយិកាសាលាបង្រៀនធ្វើនំនិងម្ហូប KSK នៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជានាងខ្ញុំតំណាងឲ្យ KSK សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណយ៉ាងជ្រាលជ្រៅដល់ក្រុមហ៊ុននិងអ្នករៀបចំកម្មវិធី Young Chef Olympiad ដែលតែងតែអញ្ជើញសាលា KSK នាងខ្ញុំចូលរួមក្នុងកម្មវិធីនេះនាងខ្ញុំក៏មានមោទនភាពផងដែរដោយសាលា KSK នាងខ្ញុំតំណាងឲ្យប្រទេសកម្ពុជាទាំងមូលបានទៅចូលរួមប្រកួតជាមួយសាលាជាច្រើនដែលមកពីជុំវិញពិភពលោកនាងខ្ញុំសូមជូនពរសិស្សឈ្មោះឡាយពិសីសូមប្អូនប្រកួតឆ្នាំ2019នេះឲ្យទទួលបានជោគជ័យសូមអរគុណ
We wish the team all best for YCO2019, the greatest culinary competition in the world for culinary students.